Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Peyton. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do know me, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. The love is always there. Yeah, all that. And for those of you who don't know me, so happy you made it. What took you so long? Welcome to the party. Okay? Ooh. Welcome to the party. I like that. If you know, you know. Okay. Anyway, we're doing a protective style. What is this? We're doing a protective style today. And everybody know about Faux Locs. I ordered these from Amazon. Sorry, I'm loud. I ordered these from Amazon. I'm really stepping out there with this color because, as you can see, it's not my typical blonde. So we're gonna try it. Try something new, switch it up. And yeah, these are the. What are these? Hold on, let's see. I had to check on Amazon. Instead of going to the beauty supply store like everybody does, I just felt as though it would be easier for me to order it on Amazon because I get more for my buck. These at the beauty supply store for I think like 21, 26 in a pack. It's like $8 a pack, and I got 6 of them for $29.98. So you know, you do the math. Found these on Amazon. I saw some girls with like my skin complexion, so I felt like it would be nice if I tried it. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm nervous, so yeah. But I've been watching some YouTube tutorials on girls with locks doing this style, and it comes out really bomb. But I haven't seen nobody with sister locks do it, so I'm gonna try the rubber band method, right? They told me on the YouTube tutorials to get, what is it? What brand is it? Bobby Boss or New Boss, New Locks, something like that. I don't know. I know I'm saying it. I'm butchering the name. Like I'm saying it all wrong. I'm gonna put it on the video, whatever. But yeah. So they said to get that type. This is the Melody 6 packs wavy faux locks crochet hair for black women, 21 strands, blah 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 blah. It's not the same brand, but I mean, it's Faux Locs, so yeah. If I run out of hair, I was gonna go to the beauty supply store and get the ones with like the curly ends and like incorporate that in the locks or whatever. So yeah. On the YouTube videos, they said to get the Faux Locs, and they said to get spring twists. So I did go to the beauty supply store and I purchased these because on Amazon they were selling them for like 6 for like $30-$40. I don't need 6 packs, so I just decided to get 2. This is what they look like. Cool. And this is what the Faux Locs look like. They came in a pack like this, and mind you, it comes with 6 of these. So I'm gonna take it out real quick. Ooh. So it separates it with this little silver thing or whatever, and they're like basically like how the crochet is with the loop at the end. That's how it's on to this little, what would you call this? Like a bread bag holder. That's what I would call it. So yeah, it came with 6 packs of these, and I think it's 21. Yeah, 21 strands each. And it also came with a crochet hook. You know, you get these in the beauty supply store. Thankfully, like, it comes with one. You know, in the beauty supply stores say that it's supposed to come with one, but it doesn't. So, I mean, hey, whatever. I watched several videos. I watched some with women with locks, and then some with women without locks. So some videos with women without locks, they did like a rubber band method. So they would pinch their hair, put a rubber band like at the root, and then do it, and then wrap it around that hair. So since I have sister locks, I feel like I'm gonna go with that method. If I were to do plaits, they would make the Faux Loc really bulky, and as you can see, these are already like the size of a sister lock, maybe two. I'm gonna be sitting here forever if I do that. No thank you. So yeah, this is what you'll need. You'll need your Faux Locs, spring twist, crochet hook, depending on how much new growth you have, and I got leave-in conditioner and water. So that's what I will be putting on my hair's product. This is from my line sister. Okay, shout out, period. This is my sis Birth. Her brand is called Rebirth. It's so freaking cute. I really love her brand name. It is all natural hair products. She will be coming out with a lock line soon, if she hasn't already by the time I upload this video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna read it. Rebirth is a line of all natural, homemade, vegan, hemp infused hair products designed to love your hair in more ways than one. Okay, I mean, you can't get any better than this. And this is the Honey on Bananas for Avocado. This is the avocado leave-in conditioner. I think yeah, it's in it. The product I'm using, it's an intense hair treatment, and this is the Honey on Bananas for Avocado. Mine's a little bit messy. You are supposed to keep it refrigerated because, like it says on the label, it is all natural and vegan, everything. This includes actual avocados, if I'm not mistaken. So do yourself a favor and go cop. That's simple. So let's just jump right into the video. I'm probably going to do like half of my head, and then once I get to the top, I'm gonna come back and record the process. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so I start off by sectioning. I do about 2 to 3 locks per faux loc because I don't want it to be like extremely bulky, like I stated before. I then go in with my spray bottle, which contains water, the conditioner from my line sister, and oil. I massage that all through my locks, and I like to put it in my roots as well. That's when I put a rubber band at the root. I don't tie it super tight because, you know, rubber bands are very damaging for your hair, so I keep them nice and loose. I go through with the crochet hook. I hook on one piece with the loop. I close the latch, pull it through. Then you open one hole of the loop and you pull your locks through that loop that you're opening. It's going to be like a slip knot type of thing, and once you do that, you're going to get a piece of the kinky curls, or no, I'm saying kinky curls, the spring twist. You're going to run your fingers through it, brush it, or like pull it so that way you can pull out the curls. Once you finish pulling out the curls, you're going to have one short end, and then the rest is going to be like a super long end. You wrap the spring twist around your root to cover the rubber band and to basically like clean up the edges, because I obviously need a retighten. And you wrap the long piece around about 3 times to secure that it won't unravel or it won't be loose. I do it pretty tight, so like I said, so it looks clean and efficient. And you're just going to continue to wrap, just wrap all the way to the end. And you see my line sister getting up to help me because I was struggling. Hey Lynn. Okay, now I'm getting to the end of the lock, and I still have some pieces of my actual hair out, and instead of using like the whole spring twist, sometimes I would use the whole spring twist, or I would cut it in half. I would wrap another piece around to cover the one that wasn't able to be finished and to cover the rest of my locks. Then I would use nail glue to glue the hair in and do like a palm roll to make sure the hair is clean and just tucked away. And you'll be able to see that in just one moment. Okay, so boom, you see me using the glue. I'm going to put it on the hair and wrap it around and do a palm roll so I can make sure the hair is just cleanly put away. Honestly, doing my hair, it wasn't easy, and it wasn't, you know, the neatest, of course. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this hairstyle I don't recommend. You can see by the look on my face, I was so tired and fed up. Oh, I was tired. This was probably day 3 of doing these faux locks. I was walking around with half of my hair done and half of it not done. I had to put on a hat. I just looked so crazy. But it was cute. I'm not gonna lie, it was cute. It wasn't worth it, but it was cute. So like I said, my line sister, she's behind me and she's helping me basically add the extra hair to the ends of each lock. So basically how you do that is you will take the same lock or another type of lock. I know they have ones with like curls on the end, and all of the crochet hair, they have loops on the ends of the lock or the hair or whatever the case may be. You'll open that loop, and the end of the hair that is already put in, you split it into 2, like you would split a 2-strand twist. Once you do that, you'll put one of those strands in the loop and you'll tie a knot to make sure that that lock is secure so the extra length doesn't slip out. Then you will split each section that you split to put through the loop. You'll put one up and then you'll put one down and nail glue it and do another palm roll to secure it. I have seen videos where they just did the loop, put a knot in, and called it a day. I don't really trust myself, and I didn't do just that. I did the knot and then I glued it down with nail glue to secure the lock in. Okay guys, so I suck, like real bad, real bad. I wasn't able to finish my hair on video or in real life. So on video, because I ran out of storage and I record on my phone, I don't have a camera, I don't have all that extra fancy stuff. I'm trying to, you know, build my way up. But with in person, I honestly did this hair for our party and I ran out of hair and I ran out of time. Also, this hair is extremely heavy and it's not ideal for locks. It adds a lot of pressure and tension on our roots. This is the finished look, and what I was able to get done, I decided to just do the top and the bottom of my hair. The middle section, I have a lot of locks that were left out. It was really cute, you know. Here's a clip, a nice little boomerang video I took, and I really enjoyed doing this hair. But as you can tell, some of the locks in the back, they don't have that extra extension to the end of them. So you can see where I didn't really finish, but that didn't bother me at the end of the day. I have locks, so it is what it is. You're going to get what you get when it comes to me. I really just did this for an experiment, see what it was like, and honestly, I don't recommend. So if you are thinking about doing this and you have locks, it's cute, but I had this hair in for like a week and a half, 2 weeks at the most. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. But that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed making it, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.